Ray the Rottweiler freezes by the door. He senses destiny approaching.
Destiny? Bro, he just wants soup. Don't leave, guys. This dog's nose knows better than Google.
Phil arrives armed with a grater. Bill brings sunflower oil. The cooking arena is ready.
Forget the Avengers. We've got the grater and the oil man. Smash that like if you're hyped already.
Phil strikes first. 2 giant onions, perfectly diced.
Ray circling like a boxing coach. Keep your hands up, Phil. Don't cry over the onions. And Bill? He's on the swings. Bro, soup won't cook itself.
The onion mountain grows. Ray watches with patience.
Ray's face says, "Man, I didn't sign up for a salad. Where's the meat?"
The onions fall into the bowl. Precise, unstoppable. Phil now grates 1 large carrot. Precision, strength, endurance.
Forget the gym, guys. Just grate vegetables. That's real arm day.
Phil tosses the leftover carrot to Ray.
And the dog eats it. A carnivore? Nope. Today he's vegan.
Bill finally approaches. He loads the firewood into the cauldron stove.
Took him only 2 minutes of swinging. Slow clap for Bill, everyone.
Ignition! Flames roar. Smoke rises to the blue sky.
This is what I call outdoor Netflix. I could watch this all day.
Bill pours 200 grams of sunflower oil. Liquid gold in a circle.
Careful, chef. That's the soup's fuel. Smash subscribe if you love sizzling food.
The onions and carrots meet the fire. They sizzle into golden perfection.
Guys, can you smell it? No? Then hit like and imagine the aroma.
Ray, tongue out, approves this step.
That's the look of a true food critic. Gordon Ramsay, step aside.
Bill brings in 2.5 liters of water. Potatoes, 1 kilogram, follow into the cauldron.
Here we go. Soup level unlocked. Guys, don't blink. This is where it gets serious.
Phil strips 700 grams of boiled chicken from the bone. Ray follows every move.
Look at Ray's eyes. He's like, drop it, yes, drop it.
At last, Ray claims his prize, a bone. He celebrates with a bark.
This dog deserves a Michelin star. Guys, subscribe if Ray is the real star here.
Phil now grates 300 grams of frozen processed cheese. Bill stirs the pot.
Grating cheese like it's snowing flavor. Guys, comment below. Cheese or no cheese in your soup?
Ray receives another treat.
This dog eats better than me. Anyone jealous? Smash like if yes.
Onions, carrots, and cheese return to the cauldron. The soup thickens, creamy and rich.
Swing first, eat later. That's chef life, baby. Who else would risk hot soup after swings?
They taste the soup. Rich, creamy, balanced. Ray approves, watching closely.
Guys, would you eat this cheese bomb? Comment below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Or Ray gets your dinner.